Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am glad you clicked to watch today's video. Today we are making egusi in tomato stew. Please stay relaxed with me and see how I brought this beautiful egusi soup. First I'll be using 1 cow foot and 2 kilo of beef. Here they are, very well washed and deboned. It look like momo. And the next protein we are using is salmon fish. I dried them in the oven and it was so nice. Yes, very nice. Also for the frying we need tomatoes, and here we have 3 cans of cut tomato. Just like this, I used 3 of it. I add 1 habanero pepper and 1 onion and brought it to blend like this. We cannot cook this without a crayfish and okpani. Any seasoning or native seasoning of your choice is welcome. Right here I will be using red oil and groundnut oil, 125 gram each. I am using just this because the egusi will produce much oil as you fry them. So here comes the chairman of the occasion, the egusi, known as melon. Before I wash them, let's season our meat first. So in here I will be adding 1 chopped onion, ginger and garlic paste, and my homemade seasoning green pepper mixture. I will leave the link to the description box. Here I will be adding 1 full spoon of meat seasoning stock and also half teaspoon of salt. I will mix them together to be well combined and put it to the gas to cook. After that I will grill it. So I've washed the egusi here. I put them in the blender and blend them until they are very soft. Okay, it is very soft now. I'll pour them to the bowl and set it aside, and we'll go ahead to blend our crayfish and okpani. Oh, before then I forgot to show you the veggies we'll be using. So I will be using 1 packet of spinach. I wash them very well and I will cut them very well. You can cut it more tiny as you like, but it doesn't matter. But I like sometimes to cut it like this. Now here is the crayfish and the okpei. This okpei gave another taste to this food. I'm telling you, it have this, contradicting taste, or how should I say something? Is it tomato? Is it native soup? Yeah, I like that taste. When you're eating, you will be trying to detect the text in the food. That is what this okpei and crayfish did to the soup. So here they are. I will set them aside and show you the meat that I have grilled. Here they are, well grilled, and I cut them little by little as I showed you before, which is better. So to our pan, we'll be adding our oil, the red oil, and after that follows the groundnut oil. This pan is very nice. You don't need much oil when you are frying here. Yes, that is another advantage of this pot. So as I said, if I regretted at the day that I showed you or embossed it, I didn't regret. I don't regret again because it works very nice. Yes, you can use it for many other things at home. So I added 1 chopped onion again. This onion soup have total of 2.5 onion. So to the onion I added the crayfish and okpei just to build that aroma starting from the beginning. After that I go ahead and add the tomato, stir them very well and allow them to fry for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes I'll go ahead and add the egusi now. You're supposed to fry more, but hence I will be frying the egusi. There's no need to fry the tomato very well and add egusi and start frying. So I decided to fry them together so they will fry very well together. So if you are frying with a pot, please on a low heat. So I'm using a high heat to fry this one because I know this pot got my bag, as in it will not burn. Yes, and even if you want to burn, the gas or the pan will automatically off itself. So this is why I love using it to cook or do other things. So look at this point, I'll be adding my stock little by little and continue frying. Yes, this frying took at least a total of 30 minutes with high heat. Yes, it's better you fry it well so that your egusi will not purge anybody. Okay, I'll be adding the whole stock now. So I'll go ahead and cover the pot and turn the heat on to cook and fry again. After 5 minutes, this is how it is looking. Yes, it has been boiling. I'll stir it again and add another okpani and crayfish. Yes, please, what do they call this okpani in English? If I don't know the name, please, if you know, leave the name in the comment section. It's okpeni or gili okpeni. All right, I'll go ahead and add the meat now. Yes, in order to absorb the flavor of the soup, and it will release its flavor to the soup as well. So I'll be adding water little by little. I'm supposed to add water once, no, but I didn't add it once because the pan is already full. There is no problem because if I am to eat or to make use of the soup after I finish cooking it, I'll be adding the water little by little. Yes, but I am cooking it very well so that it won't bite anybody's stomach. So the water I keep on adding as times goes on. Yeah. So this is the last one, I'll add it. I am just building the flavor step by step here, and I believe that this okpei and crayfish contributed to the good taste of this soup because, as I said earlier, I didn't add any other seasoning stock or salt again to this soup. I just added the fish and cover it. So after 2 minutes, I tested and it was nice. Yes, it was nice. I didn't need another salt or seasoning stock. No, I add the vegetable and that is the end of this soup. After the vegetable boils up, I stirred it together and this is it. Very nice, very yummy and so inviting. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.